My lovely people. Today, I want to teach you how to make a diabetes friendly jollof rice. Yes, so jollof rice that will not spike your blood sugar levels. And that is it. I've prepped my base, which is my tomato and my pepper. And mind you, I first of all boiled my tomato. I boiled it. After that, I blended it. That's why it has that consistency. I advise you to do that anytime you want to make your jollof. Then here I am prepping my chicken. I'm adding my spices to the chicken. I'm adding different types of spices to the chicken: thyme, rosemary, curry, onions, and the likes. So I'm just going to boil my chicken till they are tender right now. So after boiling my chicken to my desired texture, here am I checking the texture of the chicken to see maybe this is how I want it to see maybe it's done. So I'm going to remove the chicken from the stock, and this is where it gets interesting. This is the difference between all the other jollof rice out there and the one that is diabetes friendly. This is the stock now, and this stock is what we are going to use. We are not going to add any oil to prepare this jollof rice. And I'm adding my tomato base, my stew base now to it. I just added it to the stock. I'm adding my onions. So this is an oilless jollof rice. As we all know that too much oil and that seed oils in general are inflammatory, and you should avoid it if you can, which I will advise you do if you are diabetic or trying to control your blood sugar levels. So you should avoid all these seed oils. Now we have our stock and our stew base mixed together. Now I'm adding my rice into the mixture to cook. So you will see that at the end of this video, in fact, you already saw it at the beginning, that you can't tell the difference between the rice that they use lots of seed oils to cook, lots of vegetable oil to cook, and this one that I didn't add a single drop of oil into. Number one, the benefits of this type of rice is that it helps you to control calories. If you are overweight and you're also diabetic, it's a win-win for you. You won't gain unnecessary weight, you won't eat unnecessary calories. Can you see our rice is done? Our jollof rice is done. Just check it out. Just check it out. Is it not inviting? Can you tell the difference between this rice and your party jollof? No. It's capital no. So my advice is to start preparing your jollof rice like this if you are a diabetic. You don't need oil. Just use your fish, your chicken stock or your turkey stock. And here am I portioning it. Just a cup. Just a cup. Don't eat more than this portion. Can you see with my vegetables and my chicken?